Morning guys, it's been a while. I've been vlogging, and the thing is, yeah, I'm heading out right now. I'm gonna buy some ube at pandesal at Dandenong. So it's gonna be a trip today. By the way, I'm gonna show you what we do here in the house. You see these? I'm in the garage right now. You check it out. Hold on. Okay, I'm in the garage right now, and whenever we arrive, we usually take off our clothes in here and then hang them. Supposed to put them under the sun or something, but we don't have that space right now. So yeah, we try to change our clothes here, just that we don't bring anything of that freaking virus inside the house. So as soon as we come here, we put our clothes here, run to the bathroom and take a shower. So we try our best to keep ourselves clean. Anyway, I'm really running late right now. Let's head to Dandenong. Let's go. Okay, I'm in the car right now, and I'm gonna try to head there as fast as I can because I haven't had much sleep today. And yeah, I have a doctor's appointment at around 11, so I need to be back. It's around 9. It's 30 minutes travel there. Okay, let's stop talking. Let's go. Dandenong Market. We're here to pick up my ube pandesal. But yeah, that's the store there. Let's go. We have barbecue here and a lot of stuff. Yeah, ube pandesal. Yeah, that's Filipino street food here in Dandenong. Let's go back home. So I have the ube pandesal, got some barbecues, heading to the car now. Autumn. Okay, just done with getting the ube pandesal. Now, took a shower. It's overexposed. Just got the ube pandesal from Dandenong, and yeah, took a shower. Has my name on it. Took a shower, and then in 15 minutes I'll be out for my doctor's appointment. So, life these days. Hey guys, abruptly that vlog just stopped. Like, just literally stopped. It's hard these days because I want to put up vlogs out there and put some content and also put some entries on my online diary. Problem is, it's tough right now. Like most of the times you lose motivation because there's nothing to do. You're stressed, anxiety, people are having problems everywhere, people are losing jobs. It's tough, but it'll ease soon. Either way, I'm just gonna put up this vlog here, and I hope you bear with me as I put up a nonsense like vlogs that just cut up. Yeah, that's it. Have a good one, guys.